Famous chefs work hard and have unique skills that have allowed them to achieve culinary greatness and even greater paychecks, making them popular and among the highest paid chefs in the world. So who are the biggest earners in the industry? Alain Ducasse. Alain Ducasse is one of the highest paid chefs in the world with a net worth of around $10 million. He has worked in some of the most prestigious restaurants and his cookbooks are bestsellers. He was born in France and began his career as a pastry chef. However, he quickly rose through the ranks and soon became one of the most celebrated chefs in France, eventually bringing his talents to America. Now he has Michelin-starred eateries all over the world. His simple yet inventive cuisine has earned him critical acclaim, and he is widely considered to be one of the greatest chefs of our time. Paula Deen. Paula Deen is a celebrated Southern chef. She is known for her famous Southern comfort food, easy online recipes, and over-the-top use of butter. Paula is an obvious contender for highest paid chefs. She has not only authored 15 cookbooks, but has hosted several TV shows, including Paula's Best Dishes, Paula's Home Cooking, and Paula's Party. Paula Deen also owns and operates two popular restaurants, Lady and Sons and Paula Deen's Creek House in Savannah, where she lives. And even though she had a fall from grace with the Food Network due to some unfavorable racial comments, she remains one of the highest paid chefs with a net worth of around $16 million. Mario Batali. Mario Batali is one of the highest paid chefs in the world, known for his Italian cooking and has his line of cookware. He has opened several restaurants and has become a successful businessman with a line of pasta sauces, a line of olive oils, and a line of kitchen appliances. In addition to his work as a chef and restaurateur, Mario Batali has been a guest chef on several TV shows, including Iron Chef America and The Chew. With many ventures under his belt, Mario Batali has claimed his spot among the highest paid chefs in the world. His net worth sits somewhere around $25 million. Marco Pierre White. Marco Pierre White is often credited with being one of the highest paid chefs in the world. He has worked in some of the most prestigious kitchens, including Harvey's and the Ritz. He has also been a judge on several cooking shows, including MasterChef UK, and has authored a few books, including the autobiographical White Heat. Although he is retired from the kitchen now, he is still involved in the industry as a restaurateur, owning a stake in numerous restaurants. And despite some controversy, while on Hell's Kitchen in the early 2000s, Marco Pierre White remains one of the highest paid chefs with a net worth of around $40 million. Bobby Flay. As a successful restaurateur with several highly acclaimed restaurants to his name, Bobby Flay is no stranger to success. He's built a successful empire that includes restaurants and cookware, kitchen appliances, and more, making him one of the richest celebrity chefs. In addition to his accomplishments as a restaurateur and businessman, he is also a celebrated author and television personality. He has hosted several shows on the Food Network, including The Next Food Network Star and Beat Bobby Flay. He has also written several best-selling cookbooks, such as Bobby Flay's Barbecue Addiction and Bobby Flay's Throwdown. Can you guess the remaining 10 highest paid chefs around the world? Head over to our website to find out more. Subscribe to Restaurant Clicks for all things restaurant and great food.